How to download Free Fire on your PC the easy way. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily download the Free Fire application game on your PC. So first thing, make sure you have successfully downloaded the BlueStack, that is a emulator to running the Android application or games on your PC. So if you don't know what it is, you can simply check it out from here, and you can simply download the latest version from here. Make sure you have your RAM more than 4 GB for it to run your device. So once you do that, simply head over to your BlueStack application and simply click on search, or you can also see the Free Fire Max or Free Fire Winter version. Choose whatever version of your game you want to install, and you can simply click on install from here, and then it's done. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.